Friends, so now start miscellaneous exercise question number 6th. Previous classes question number 3rd is completed and 4 and 5 easy. 4 5 लोग कर लोगे. So question number 6 miscellaneous exercise question number 6 page number 46. So question 6 is let f is equal to given x and x square by 1 plus x square where x belongs to R be a function from R to R. That is given f is a function from R to R, real to real is a function. Determine the range of f. Range find करनी है. Here domain given, domain that is value of x, domain that is the value of x and x belongs to R. So its domain is the set of real numbers. Now find its range. So f is equal to this. f equal to this मतलब कि f of x is equal to this. Since f is equal to this, that is f of x is equal to x square by 1 plus x square. This also, it can also written f is equal to x comma this. So find the range that is the value of f of x. So let y is equal to f of x. f of x की वैल्यू को हम क्या सपोज कर लिए हैं y. So the find the value of y and that value of y, all value of y is called range. So now find the value of y. So first put value of f of x. So y is equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. For range, first find the value of here x in terms of y. So find x in terms of y, then cross multiply. So y plus x square y is equal to x square. यहाँ से क्या करना है, x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है in terms of y. This term taking right side. So y is equal to x square minus x square y. So now x square is common. So taking common x square, then 1 minus y. So x square is equal to y upon 1 minus y. This is the value of x square. So what is the value of x? Here f of x equal to this, and you see that x square upon 1 plus x square, this value is always less or equal to 1. This value always less than 1 because denominator is greater than to numerator. This value always less than 1 because x square is always less than 1 plus x square. ये value 1 से less होगा. So the value of y is always less than 1. y की value find करनी है. Here x square is equal to this, and what is x? x belongs to R. Since x belongs to R, so its square always greater equal to 0. होगा value greater equal to 0. And what is the value of x square? y upon 1 minus y. So y upon 1 minus y greater equal to 0. Now find the value of y. For this, first make denominator be positive. That is, first make denominator in perfect square form. So for this, multiply by 1 minus y. So y into 1 minus y upon denominator whole square greater equal to 0, हम क्या किए, डिनोमिनेटर को मैं परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना था, तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के लिए सेम 1 माइनस वाई से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए, होल स्क्वायर हो गया। एंड नाउ दिस इज पॉजिटिव टर्म, सो नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, so this imply y into 1 minus y greater equal to 0 because denominator is positive. Now find the value of y. Here y into 1 minus y greater equal to 0 and x square is a real value. Here but that is both are positive because product is greater equal to 0. So both are positive or both are negative. So this imply y in so this imply y greater equal to 0 and 1 minus y greater equal to 0 or y less equal to 0 and 1 minus y also less equal to 0. That is either both are positive or both are negative. अब दोनों पॉजिटिव करोगे प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव होगा. If both are negative, then also product is positive. So this imply your first case y greater equal to 0, this y taking right side, and 1 greater equal to y, that is y less equal to 1, or second case y less equal to 0 and this y taking right side and 1 less equal to y, that is y greater equal to 1. ये ऐसा पॉसिबल होगा. एक बता रहा है कि y 0 से लेस होंगे और यह बता रहा है कि y ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 1. नो पॉसिबल रियल वैल्यू, नॉट पॉसिबल, नॉट पॉसिबल. यह पॉसिबल नहीं होगा बिकॉज एक वैल्यू बता रहा है कि y 0 से लेस होंगे और एक बता रहा है कि y ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 1. सो नॉट पॉसिबल. सो देयरफॉर y greater equal to 0 and y less equal to 1. So the value of y is greater equal to 0 and less equal to 1. But since y less than 1 not is equal to, since y less than 1, therefore combined value of these two, यह दोनों combined करके solution निकालें. So the value of y is less than 1 and greater equal to 0. So range is close interval 0 to open interval 1. This is the range of f of x. Important question है. So question 6 is completed. Now question number 7 easy. ऐसा एग्जाम्पल हम लोग कर चुके हैं. a प्लस जी a माइनस जी दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is f given, f is equal to 1 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 be a function from z to z defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b for some integer a and b. determine a and b. a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सो सिंस f is equal to 1 1 means f of 1 is equal to 1. पहले यह पढ़ लीजिए. सिंस f is equal to 0 1, सिंस f is equal to 0 1, इससे कैलकुलेशन इजी निकल जाएगा. इसलिए पहले हम ये पॉइंट लेकर चल रहे हैं. ऐसे आप इस चारों में से कोई भी पॉइंट लेकर चल सकते हो, इससे कैलकुलेशन इजी होगा. सो f is equal to 0 minus 1, that is f of 0 is equal to minus 1. And since f of x equal to this, so what is f of 0? So put 0 in place of x. तो यहाँ 0 पुट कर दें. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ ऑफ 0 इज ए इंटू 0 प्लस बी, यहाँ से पुट कर दिए वैल्यू एफ ऑफ 0 का, एक्स के प्लेस पर 0 पुट कर दिए, इज इक्वल टू -1, सो बी इज इक्वल टू -1, बी की वैल्यू फाइंड हो गया। अब कोई लेके चलें वैल्यू, इस 4 में से कोई लेके चलिए, इसको भी लेके चल सकते हो। सिंस एफ इज इक्वल टू 1 1, दैट इज दिस इम्प्लाई एफ ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, f of 1 is equal to 1. So now put the value of f of 1. So for f of 1, that is put here 1 in place of x. So the value of f of 1 is a into 1 plus b is equal to 1. A into 1 is a, and since the value of b is -1, so -1 is equal to 1. Since b is equal to -1, this -1 taking right side, so a is equal to 2. So this is the value of a and b. आप अदर से भी निकालोगे वैल्यू, सबसे सेम आएंगे। ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is same as example number 19. This question completed. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is same as example number 19. सेम बनेंगे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 19, लगा लोगे। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, एफ इज ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम ए टू बी, एफ इज ए फंक्शन फ्रॉम ए टू बी, ऐसा एग्जाम्पल करा चुके हैं। इट इज रिलेशन, इट इज फंक्शन और नॉट, ऐसा हो चुका है। सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th और डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। ओके, डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. So 10 is set A given. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And set B is equal to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15 and 16. And F given 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. 2, 11. Are the following true? F is a relation from A to B. So for relation, if this is the subset of A cross B, this whole is the subset of A cross B, then F is a relation from A to B. So check that this set, that is Cartesian product of two set, is a subset of this or not. So for subset, this first entry belong in first set and second entry belong in second set. So what is first set? One, that is find domain. What is the domain? Of 1, 2, 3, 4, that is set of all first entry. This is domain, and this domain 1, 2, 3, 4 belong in set A, which is subset of set A. So all the element of F, all the first entry of F, that set is the subset of set A, and second entry is called range. So find the range. Second entry, that is 5, 9, 1 also. So first write 1 or write 5. Here 5, 9, 1, 5 also 11. That is 1, 5, 9, 11, and this all element belong in this 1, 5, 9, 11. That is which is the subset of set B. So domain subset of set A and the range subset of set B. So F is a relation. Therefore F is a फॉर रिलेशन क्या करनी है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट डोमेन एंड रेंज. इफ डोमेन सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए एंड रेंज सबसेट ऑफ सेट बी, देन एफ इज ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम ए टू बी. सो एस, सो आंसर क्या हो गया, एस, एफ इज ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम ए टू बी. सेकेंड, f is a function from a to b. For function, every element of domain has unique image. पहले बता चुके हैं. For function, every element of domain has unique image. So what is the domain? That is set A. Set A, that is 1 2 3 4. So check that every element has unique image. So image of 1 5, no in image of 1, image of 2 is unique, image of 3 also unique, image of 2 unique, but image of 2 here 11, image of 2 is a 9 and image of 2 also 11. So since 2 has 2 image, 9 and 11. Second part, since 2 related f, since 2 related f, or since 2 has 2 image, which one, 9 and 11. Image of 2 is 9 and image of 2 is 11. So 2 has 2 image, but we know that for a function every element of domain has unique image, but 2 has 2 image, 9 and 11, therefore it is not a function. ये function नहीं होगा. for function के लिए unique image चाहिए. Okay, now next question number 11. Question number 11. Let F be the subset of Z cross Z defined by F is a subset of Z cross Z, which defined by F is equal to AB, A plus B, such that A and B both are belongs to Z. Is f a function from Z to Z? Justify your answer. तो फिर function that is every element of domain has unique image. So which type of function defined? Since f of AB, since f of AB is equal to A plus B, where A and B both are integers, so put A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. So A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. ये 0 plus 1 and 0 into 1 is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to what? 1. That is 0 का image क्या बन गया? 1. Now put A equal to 0 and B is equal to 2. A equal to 0 and B is equal to 2. So put A equal to 0. So f of 0 into 2 is equal to 0 plus 2. F of 0 into 2, that is f of 0, and 0 plus 2 is equal to f of 2. So 2, that is 0, also image of 2. 0 का image 2 भी है. So 0 has more than one image. Here 1 and 2 also. So therefore 0 has more than one image. So it is not a function. So it is not a function. ये function नहीं होगा. Last question, question number 12. Question number 12th. 12th is A given. A is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and f is a function from a to n defined by f of n is equal to highest prime factor of n. The highest prime factor of n. Highest prime factor of n. A given, a function from a to n. क्वेश्चन समझ रहे हो? A given है, f is a function from a to n. कैसा डिफाइन है? f of n is equal to the highest prime factor, highest prime factor, highest prime factor of n. Find the range of f. Range of f निकालनी है. Range of f, that is the value of f of x. So here what is the subset of f? Set A subset of f, and set A having this element. So put the value of n is equal to from this. So first find the value of f of 9. F of 9, that is highest prime factor of 9. So what is the highest prime factor of 9? Is 3. So f of 9 is 3. Now find f of 10. So highest prime factor of 10. What is the highest prime factor? 5. F11. What is the highest prime factor of 11? Same as 11. Now find F12. Highest prime factor of 12? 3. 3 4 are 12. And F13, same as 13. So therefore range that is the value of f of x. तो क्या वैल्यू आ गया f of x का? f of x वैल्यू इज 3, 5, 11, same repeat 3 and 13. This is the range. So this chapter completed. So relation and function completed, and now start next chapter, trigonometric function, and it is easy chapter. Okay.